Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who made changes in your Google Sheet when they did it and exactly what would change. So first, open your Google Sheets, then go to File, over Version History and click See Version History. This opens a detailed log of edits made to your sheets. On the right side, you'll see a list of edits grouped by type. You'll also see the names of collaborators and the exact time they made changes. Each version is color-coded. Click on any version to see exactly what was changed in the spreadsheet. Cells that were edited are highlighted and you can hover to see the original content. So if something went wrong, no worries. You can restore any previous version by clicking Restore this version at the top of the screen. And that's how you check who edited your Google Sheets. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Google Sheet tutorial, and leave a comment if you have any questions.